to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings. Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Welcome to Successful Trading. In this video, we are going to spend time talking about day trading for beginners. Yeah. There's a lot of you out there who, for different reasons, you are taking on day trading, but as a beginner, you are going to definitely be aware of certain things. It just happened for me. I wrote this article that we are looking at right now. When was it? In October. This was like my second article to write on the blog successfultrading.com. At the time, I didn't know any better that, hey, just writing an article, we may not find its way to people who need it, or more importantly, a lot of people who are taking on day trading as a beginner, they are mostly looking for a set of instruction on a video. So that's why I'm gonna go through this article. It has 5 paragraphs, right? So the title of it, how to trade option or how for beginners, but it could be how to day trade options for beginner or stock for that matter. Yeah, the first thing when you are taking on this ambitious plan on day trading as a beginner is definitely for you to be aware of all things that shine are not gold. Yeah, because what happened, and I'm seeing this a lot, I have a community of traders, a lot of them are doing day trading as beginners because the situation in this economy now with the pandemic calls for that. So the first thing that I want you to be aware is that what you hear from the outside world, tips from your doctor, a pundit on TV, your wife hairstylist, or anything that you hear, just know is not really going to be something that's gonna be you're going to be able to use in your day trading as a beginner, right? Because guess what? You need something that you can repeat. Yeah, those things are not things that you can repeat. Now, if you tell me that, hey, every time that you go to your your dentist or whatever, he give you or she give you tips that's enable you to day trade successfully as a beginner, hey, more kudos to you. Maybe you stick with that, but most people, they do not do that. So hence you really need to make sure that, hey, all things that shine are not gold. So that's number one. There's the second thing that you gotta see is that the markets always have this way of shifting. Something could be true today, and tomorrow that same something will not be true. So when you are doing day trade, you need again to hang your head on something that's time tested. Yes. So because when that's happened, you are going to find yourself able to rinse and repeat the word that come often in day trading. Especially as a beginner, you want to make sure that, hey, you do something today, when the setup comes again the next time, you are able to repeat that. So the second paragraph on here is going to be focusing on definitely how to day trade. In our case, we day trade options. We also swing trade options, and we have a lot of beginners in our Discord room. This is the Discord room that we have here. Like this trader, she's a beginner, and the rest of the traders here. Most of these, I will tell you that they are doing day trading as beginners, definitely. Yeah, because they have to learn certain things here. We do coaching at Successful Trading, but let's talk about the second thing on here before we get into that, is the methodology, meaning a set of rules that you always apply that get you into your day trades. Yes, something repeatable. So meaning that if this is the setup, that setup need you don't need to question that. It's something that you have been able to test. We talk about a book. I was trying to look at it if I have it here. Oh yeah, this is the book. This is the book that we tell in one of the chapter. We ask people to read Big Bold if you can. Yeah, it's an easy read or anything. So read it. It's by Martin Bozzi-Schwartz, because he talked about his methodology until he found his methodology, the magic tea. Then he started making money consistently. Yeah, so a need for a methodology is the second thing, obviously. So how are you going to develop that methodology is by tracking your performance. Yeah, for us here, we have given people a spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet where you enter your trade. Actually, could I bring that on here? So let me bring that that Excel spreadsheet, what it looks like for us. We will give that to you if you decide to join us. But very quickly on here, let me go ahead and bring that Excel spreadsheet, because tracking your performance, meaning you enter your trade. It may not mean something to you, but let me elaborate why is that critical. Yeah. So after I bring this thing up on here, where's that? Trading journal. Yeah, trading journal performance tracking. Yes, this is it. So I want to bring that template on here if my Excel will collaborate with us. Very quickly, Excel, thank you. We are doing a live video. Okay, so this is it for us. So we want to enter the dates of the trade, the setup on the trade. Yeah, and we have automated here. We have them automated, you see. Yeah, some of them, they have names. They have names because we need to know later on the stock. In our case, the instrument we're trading here for you could be the stock, it could be the option, whatever. And then we are entering on here, was it a put, call, a strangle, whatever the cost of it, how much we sold it for, the lesson learned, yeah, profit losses, and then it automatically compute the profit level, right, and the exit date. What is this going to enable you to do is that over a long period of time, you are going to be able to say, okay, in my quest, in my day trading as a beginner, do I have a tendency to do certain things? So you will be able to filter and say, hey, the trade that you take on X1 scanner, how many of them you took over a course of 2 months, how much profit you had, or anything. So similar on anything. And then for you, you can go ahead and say, now, fine, I've been doing day trading as a beginner for a long time now. Maybe it's time for me to scale up my strategy. You can find the trade that are working for you. So having a trading journal, yes, it's very important for people who want to partake in the activity of day trading for beginners. Yep, definitely. And then there's the daily routine. Yeah, the daily routine is just a set of conditions that you develop. For us here, we have them actually. There is a video on this channel on YouTube that tells our trader when to enter a trade, meaning that the conditions is of the type, hey, we enter bullish trade if this happens. An example for us, we use VWAP, volume weighted average price, to say, hey, if a stock is above VWAP and posting higher highs on a 15 or 5-minute chart, then we will trade that direction. That's as simple as anything. So that's no emotion involved. No emotion involved. Is just taking the trade. We like to call it no thinking. So there's that, and then eventually you will achieve consistency. Yeah, consistency will come when for you to say that, hey, I'm able to execute 10 trade of this type, and 7 times out of 10 they will be winners. So, and there are tools that's going to help you in that. So for us, we have tools that we will definitely teach you. TradingView is one of them. Watching videos, it's another way for you to learn how to day trade as a beginner, because there's a lot of things that you can pick up. In our case, a successful trading, we have over 170 video. We'll do a live pre-market show, so definitely you can learn on that. And if you happen to be watching this video right now, where it is almost like a week before our bootcamp, yes, that's September 7th. So find a way to register for it, because in there we will make sure that everybody who is motivated in doing day trading for beginners as a beginner will definitely get the learning, the education that they need to embrace the profession of day trading as a beginner. So hopefully you will join us on September the 7th. Otherwise, subscribe to our channel and comment, and we will make sure to continue to cater the content of this channel to your liking. Bye bye.